Welcome kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a simple cucumber juice. It's slightly different from the previous one, only that this time I'll be boiling some peppermint water and I'll be putting lemon instead of lime and ginger this time around. So stay tuned and keep on watching. I'll be using 3 cucumbers this time around, and cucumbers aid in weight loss, it lowers your blood sugar, and it also promotes hydration. Next up, the juice from 1 lemon, and lemon aids in weight loss, it reduces the risk of heart disease and kidney stones. More information on all the benefits of the ingredients will be posted on my blog, so make sure you check it out. It will be the first link in the description box. Some Caribbean Dreams peppermint tea bags, and what I did, I boiled 4 of them in a pot of water, and this is what I used to blend the juice. Some honey, you'll definitely need your strainer, your citrus squeezer, some measuring spoons. So this is the peppermint water that I'll be using to blend the juice. And guys, it really gives the juice a different taste from the previous cucumber juice, and I absolutely love it. Now I'm just going to cut up the cucumber into smaller pieces to make the blending process easier. Now I'll be straining the juice, and I'll leave all the links to the products down in the description box as well. Now I'll be sweetening the juice with some honey. You don't have to sweeten it at all. Sometimes I go without sweeteners, so just do you when it comes to this part. So now that we're at the end of this video, it's your time to try this juice. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you do, come back and leave your comments down below, and if you already tried, also drop your comments down below. And until my next video, one love. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Turn your post notifications on to stay updated every time I upload a new video. And as usual, check out the description box to stay tuned with everything that's mentioned in the video.